Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project, Vegetable Shop Management System. And I have developed this project in Java and MySQL. And this is the Windows-based application, and I have used the string components for developing this project, right? So as you know that we can develop the Windows-based application using the string, right? And for database, I'm using the MySQL. For connecting database with Java, I have used the MySQL Java connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. And I have used the NetBeans IDE 8.2 for developing this project, and you can easily configure and run this project in NetBeans 8.2, right? So this is the technology stacks I have used for developing this project, vegetable shop management system, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So as I told you earlier, this is the vegetable shop management system developed in Java and MySQL, and it's a mini DBMS project. Mini because it has only admin login. There is no customer login, and there is no other user role login available inside this project, right? So for running this project, you need to import this project into the NetBeans ID. I am using the version 8.2, and after that you need to import the database into the MySQL, and it will connect to a database, right? So once you import the database, once you import the code here in the NetBeans, then you will get the run button, and once you click on the run button, it will run, and after that it will show you the login form. You can see this is the login form. Here you need to enter the username and password, and once you enter the username and password, you will be able to log inside the system, right? So the user ID is admin and password is test. So once you click on login, you will get the sales dashboard. So vegetable shop management system dashboard, right? So here there are 6 menus we have developed, right? So each and every menu has their own operations, right? This is about project, and it's a static page, right? A static content. There is nothing dynamic on this form, right? So if you want to change the content or image, you can just open the about.java, and from there you will be able to change the content or image. Just click the close. This is the add product, and this is a full product management form from where you will be able to manage all of the products, right? And these all products are coming from the database, right? So if you want to enter any new product, just enter the product name and click on the save product, right? So once you click on the save product, you will be able to see that product has been added into the database, right? And it's coming on the list view, right? If you want to edit it, just click on the row and click on the edit. Once you click on the edit, you will be able to edit the product, you can see, right? And once you click on the OK, that product has been edited, right? If you want to delete it, just click on that product, and after that hit on the delete record. Once you click on the delete record, that record will be deleted from the database, right? So this is totally product management from where you can perform add, edit, update, delete operations of the products, right? Means the vegetables, right? So just click on the cancel. This is the product report from where you will be able to see all of the products which is available into the database, but you can't perform any type of edit, add operations here, right? If you want to close this, just click on the close, and after that that window will be closed. This is the add cells. This is the main application, main form. From this is the sales dashboard, right? And from here you can perform the sales of the vegetables, right? Here you need to enter the name, customer name first, and the mobile number of the customer. Once you enter the name and customer, just click on the start billing, and after that you will get this sales control panel. Here you need to enter the product name and the quantity. Just click on the add item, and after that that item will be added into the database, into the cart, right? The same way you can add the items here, right? And after that, this, if you want to delete the item, just select the product, and after that delete, yes. If you click on the delete, that item will be deleted, right? You can see this has been deleted, right? Once you click on the save, order, and exit, right? So once you click on this, also one more thing, you can see the prices are calculating automatically, right? So once you click on the save, order, and exit, then the information of this whole page will be saved into the database, and you will be able to see this report in the sales report, right? Save, order, and exit, right? You can see that form has been closed, and if you want to see the report, click on the sales report. You will be able to see all of the sales report. This is the last one for the 1100 rupees order, right? So you will be able to see the sales report here, right? This is the logout. Once you click on the logout, then the full application will be closed. Your session will be destroyed, right? So again, for running the project, you need to rerun the project, right? So logout. So you can see the application has been closed, right? If you want to rerun it, just click on the run button, and after that project will start running, and you will be able to log inside the system, right? You can see it's working fine, right? So this all functionalities I have developed inside this project, vegetable shop management system. And as I told you earlier, this is the Java and MySQL based mini project, right? If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.